The next question is find the value of x, for which 2x comma x plus 10 and 3x plus 2 are the three consecutive terms of an AP. So it's given as 2x, x plus 10 and 3x plus 2 are the three consecutive terms of AP. In an AP, the difference between consecutive terms is constants. That is, first term, second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. Both are equal. Therefore, we can set the difference between the second and first terms equal to the difference between the third and second terms. That is, we can write like this: x plus 10 minus 2x. This is the second term and this is the first term. That's equal to 3x plus 2, that is the third term, minus x plus 10. This is the second term. These are equal. That is the common difference of the AP. So we can simplify x minus 2x, that's equal to minus x plus 10, which is equal to 3x plus 2 minus x minus 10. That is, x minus x plus 10 is equal to 2x minus 8. That is, 3x is equal to 10 plus 8. 3x is equal to 18. Now we can write x is equal to 18 divided by 3, that's equal to 6. So the value of x is equal to 6. This is the final answer. Sometimes the question to find the AP also. So we can find the AP also, the first term. First term is equal to, given as 2x. That is equal to 2 into 6, that's equal to 12. And second term, that's equal to x plus 10. That's equal to 6 plus 10. That's equal to 16. The third term is equal to 3x plus 2. That is equal to 3 into 6 plus 2. 18 plus 2, that's equal to 20. So the AP is 12, 16, 20, etc. And here it's clear that the common difference is 4. The final answer what we in this question asked is x. X is equal to 6, and we will find the AP also. The AP is 12, 16, 20, and the common difference is 4. These are not asked in the question, but sometimes it will ask, so we will solve for that also. That's all in this video. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.